tribunal in Bagherhat has delivered its verdict in a rape case in just 7 work days, setting what experts said was a record for the fastest disposal of a criminal case. The district's Women and Children Repression Prevention Tribunal 2 yesterday sentenced 53-year-old Abdul Manan Sardar to life in prison along with a fine of Tk 20,000 for raping a 7-year-old girl in Mangla Upazila. Law Minister Anisul Huq said the quick disposal was a reflection of the government's sincerity in ensuring justice within a short period of time. But some legal experts said the accuracy of trial proceedings will come into question if they are conducted in a hurry.
The case was filed by the girl's uncle on October 3, after she was raped. A judge court referred the case to the tribunal on October 11, reports our correspondent in Bagherhat. Yesterday's verdict was delivered by District and Sessions Judge Md Nourialam. Rules stipulate the trial of any case filed under the Women and Children Repression Prevention Act must be completed in 180 days. Convict Manan, resident of a government shelter for the homeless, was arrested soon after the case was filed.
The tribunal took cognizance of the charges on the day the case was referred to it and framed the charges the next day. On October 13 and 14, 16 prosecution witnesses, a doctor, a judicial magistrate, the investigating officer and other members of the police testified in the tribunal. The accused testified on October 15. The court delivered the verdict yesterday, a day after completing the hearing of arguments of both sides. We are happy. This has set an example, Assistant Public Prosecutor Ranjit Kumar Mandal told reporters after the verdict was announced. The complainant also expressed satisfaction. Convict Manan's lawyer Liaquat Hussain said his client will appeal against this verdict. Razia Parveen, regional coordinator of the Women Development Forum, said it was proof that trial procedures can be completed in a short time.
Law Minister Anisul said, "We have not stopped after raising the punishment to death penalty for rape. We have directed prosecutors to take necessary steps for hearing and disposing of the cases quickly. I have said time and again that the government is pledge-bound to ensure justice quickly and to establish rule of law," he told the Daily Star while expressing his reaction to the Bagherhat court verdict. Supreme Court lawyer and chairperson of ANO Salish Razia Khan Pana said no trial of a criminal case took place in such a short period of time in the history of judiciary.
If the trial proceedings of the Bagherhat case were held flawlessly, we will appreciate it. But it's unacceptable if it had not been done accurately, he said. It has been proved that trial proceedings can be done really fast, Pana added. Criminal law expert and editor of Dakala Reports, DLR, Khurshed Alam Khan said the trial of the Bagherhat case was the rarest event in the history of Bangladesh. The prosecution must ensure that the trial has been held in a fair and faultless manner, he said. Assuming that everything was done properly, the disposal of the case is laudable, Khurshed added.
Thanks.
Thanks.